In the previous video, we got it set up to where we have our downed animation, like so, but you can see on the server, we don't actually go into that animation, but everybody else sees us in it. Now, off the down state changed, if we do a quick print string, you can see that where it runs is not quite right. So if I go ahead and go to the state, that event only fires for the client. We need it to fire for the client and the server. So that can only kind of mean one thing, that it is likely that this is running after the ability system ready has already fired. So we want to likely do kind of some sort of check. So basically see, is the ability system component ready already? And if it is not, then we use and bind to this interface. Otherwise, we make our way straight to here. So we're going to do just that. So if our ability system and all that is ready and good to go, like so, if it is not, then we want to go ahead and do the ability system interface stuff. And that is pretty much it, actually. So the first thing we check, do we have a valid ability system component? If we don't, we check, okay, do we implement the ability system ready interface? And if we do, we wait for it to be ready, and then we do our registration to the gameplay tag events and move on. So now, as the server, you can see we are now in the downed state. And same thing, if I go and do it as a client, we get the same result. So the client is now also in the downed state. So that's good. Compile, save, and that'll be all for this video. It's a very short one. I just wanted to go ahead and get that bug out of the way so we can continue working. So with that said, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.